Now, today's topic is types of chemical reaction. After the balancing of the chemical equation topic, you just come up with the topic that is types of chemical reaction. So, there are many types of chemical reaction. We just first come up with the combination reaction. There are many combination reaction, decomposition reaction. In the decomposition, there are parts divided: thermal decomposition, electrolytic decomposition, photolysis or photolytic decomposition. Like this way you are having displacement reaction, then double displacement reaction, oxidation reaction, reduction, exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions also. So first we'll come up with the combination reaction. As the name is the combination, where some kinds of things are going to combine. So this is a reaction. So two elements, two gases or two compounds, they are going to combine, and they are going to combine. After that they are going to form a product. So reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form one product. Two or more reactant. In those reactants, there can be two elements, they can be one element, one gas, they can be two compounds like this way, and they're going to form a product. So here you can see, simply in general way, if we just go A plus B is going to give you a product AB. It's going to be. So here reaction, you can see this reaction I have explained earlier also. When magnesium and oxygen are going to react, they're going to form magnesium oxide. One more example, when carbon any kinds of thing that are present, if you burn wood, it's also having carbon. So carbon, when combines with oxygen, when anything burns like paper or wood, so carbon dioxide gas is formed. And earlier also I have said that for making the reaction more informative, you can write solid, gas like these symbols. So here I have written magnesium is solid, carbon is solid, oxygen gas, and this is also gas like this way. So the product is formed. Here it is solid ash, you can say that magnesium oxide, and here carbon dioxide, and this gaseous form. After this, second reaction comes here, decomposition reaction. With the name we just go with decomposition. Some kind of thing is going to be decomposed. So reactions in which one compound decomposes into two or more compounds or elements, known as decomposition reaction. Here one kind of compound will be there, this is going to be decomposed, distributed into two. So here reaction is calcium, when calcium carbonate. Here calcium carbonate is in solid form. So when calcium carbonate is going to be heated, when this is going to be heated, so calcium oxide solid is going to form with carbon dioxide. In this reaction also you can see that the equation is balanced. Oxygen is 2, 1 is here, 3 oxygen are here, carbon is 1, here also 1, calcium is 1 and 1. One more example we can take, that when ferric oxide is heated, so when ferric oxide is heated, here this is ferric oxide, this is going to be heated, it's distributed into ferric hydroxide is heated, so it's going to be distributed into ferric oxide and water, 3 molecules of water. After it, here another, the decomposition reaction, the decomposition of the substances can be divided into 3 parts as thermal decomposition. That earlier you are saying this reaction, it is the same, the name is given with the thermal. So thermal is what? The decomposition of a substance on heating is known as thermal decomposition. Whenever a substance is heated and it is being decomposed, then it is a thermal decomposition. Here lead nitrate is there, it is being heated. Here when we put a triangle, it means that this substance is heated, right? So for heat, this it is symbolized, right? And lead oxide and nitrogen dioxide and oxygen is being released in this reaction. After this, electrolytic reaction, as the name is there, electrolytic, so some kind of electricity will be there. It is also known as electrolysis reaction, in which reaction when which compound decomposes into simple compounds when we pass the electricity. So here water molecules are there. Water is in liquid form. When electricity is passed through it, hydrogen and oxygen is going to be decomposed here also. Here this cannot be possible when you do normally hydrogen and like this way, this reaction. After this is photolysis or photolytic decomposition reaction. So what is there? As the name is there, photo means light. So the reaction in which a compound decomposes because of sunlight are known as photolysis or photolytic decomposition. Here the reaction is when silver chloride, or generally silver chloride white in color, when it's being decomposed, silver is in gray color and chlorine is gaseous form, it is released. So in this reaction one more point is going to be noted there. When silver chloride it should be and most of the medicines there they are giving the instructions that keep this medicine or this bottle away from sunlight. Why? Because sunlight can react with the medicines. For that only here the reaction is silver chloride, silver gray color, it becomes gray color, chlorine is released because of the sunlight. So this is two reactions, combination reaction, decomposition reaction for today's class.